Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my new bag. I ordered it online. This is the bag. Okay, I think I have to stand up because it's a bit heavy. So, as always, it comes with a beautiful box from Louis Vuitton with a ribbon, of course. They always do very nice packaging. So, here's the opening. Sorry, let me see here. Okay. Okay, so let's start. Put it down first. Okay. As usual, it comes with this envelope. Okay, this is a Valentine's present actually from my boyfriend. So it comes with this, and of course with that one. And of course, what is this? This is the price. This is the price we have in Germany. 19% tax. Yeah, that's all. And of course, the material. Okay, let's put it away first. Excited. I am excited. But I know already what's this bag. Because I wish for this bag. Ta-da! Beautiful. Okay, let's put it away. Yeah. This is the Speedy in Damier Azur with a size 35. So it always comes folded like this. You just have to, straight it. Okay. This is the bag. Very pretty, very beautiful. It is a Speedy 35. They measure the size here. It has 35 centimeter across here, 35 centimeter, and 23 centimeter in height, and 18 centimeter in width. She has a natural cowhide leather. This is the front, a one big canvas. Gold hardware. And it says made in France. She has this leather pull tag here. Super, very smooth. And inside, beautiful beige interior. One big packet with a zipper. Very smooth. Okay, that's the key and the padlock, the lock. And of course the date code, you can find it there at the back. And the earring. It's a very very simple bag. She has a nice silhouette. She has no feet. And you can see the logos here. It's the front. It's only has 2, 4, 6, 10 logos. One at the front, one at the back. No, I mean 2. And then on the side and at the bottom. There you can see the logos. Yes. Okay. These are the keys. Oops. And a beautiful gold lock, and then you can see the number at the back, at the bottom of it. So what else I can say? I have a well, I can say, well, everyone knows Speedy. It's classic, simple design, had a great silhouette, and it comes in different sizes, the 25, the smallest 25, 30, 35, and 40. Yeah. What else? It's a hand carry bag. You can just carry it at the crook of your arm. I chose the classic this time because I have already one with a bandolier where you have this strap here, and now I would like to have the classic style, introduced in 1930s by the house of Louis Vuitton in Paris. Before they call it like Express, and now it's Speedy. Okay, what else? What I don't really like, well, I mean, I love this bag. The cons is like it's not structure bag, and she doesn't have a feet. So it's not real structure bag. So you need an organizer, because if not, it will just sag like this. So I already ordered one from Amazon. I ordered the one with the same color because I love structure bag, so I think it's a good choice. And of course this is one big hole, and sometimes it's hard to find things. With the organizer, it makes life easier. I mean, you find things, your stuff easily. Yeah. Oh well, what else can I say with this bag? I just like this. I love this color, and spring is coming soon. Well, the thing is, this is with the vachetta. It is known that you kind of take care of the vachetta, because if not, if the rain drops here, the stain will the watermarks will stay, and the water spot, and yeah, this is the disadvantage. So you really have to take care of the vachetta, and with the time the vachetta will oxidize and will turn they call them patina color. It will be like brown, caramel brown color, because at the moment it's really white, really white. I haven't used it yet, so because I just opened. So in time it will be brown, which is also okay because she's really pretty. So I love this bag. I'm so happy to have this one. Yeah. Um Thank you so much. I appreciate your time spending with me today. And yeah, take care and God bless. Bye.